Intercom reported that chatbots helped increase their sales by an average of 67%, and 26% of all sales started with a chatbot. Impressive, right? Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Leon, your trusted guide for all things Shopify. Today, we're diving into a must-have tool for every Shopify store owner, Shopify Inbox. It has an amazing 4.8-star rating on the Shopify App Store and now includes a cutting-edge AI-powered feature that will take your customer interactions to the next level. Here's what we'll be covering today. Feel free to pause or check the timestamps to go straight to the part that interests you most. So, whether you're just starting or looking to improve your customer service, stick around. This video will show you how to make the most of Shopify Inbox. Shopify Inbox is a free chat tool that's super easy to set up and customize to match your brand. Let's dive into all the features of this app. One standout feature is Cart Peek, allowing you to recommend related products and close sales faster. Plus, if someone hesitates over price or shipping, you can drop a discount code right into the chat. For efficiency, Quick Replies lets you create shortcuts for common questions. And it gets better. You can manage everything on the go with the Shopify Inbox app on your phone or tablet. No more waiting, even if you're mid-coffee run. Then there is Shopify Magic, which uses AI to send smart, personalized replies in seconds, making conversations quicker and helping you close sales even faster. It also handles order updates automatically, so your customers are always in the loop, even when you are offline. Chatbot automation keeps things running smoothly and automatic. Plus, the pre-chat form grabs important customer details before the chat starts. By combining these features, Shopify Inbox helps you collect customer inquiries and contact info for follow-ups later, perfect for ensuring you don't lose potential leads. Now that we've gone over the features, let's talk about setting it up. First things first, install Shopify Inbox. Log in to your Shopify Admin dashboard. Click on Apps, search for Shopify Inbox. Click it and hit Install. Next, enable the chat widget. Head over to Shopify Inbox in your dashboard, hit the Setup button, and it will take you to the Shopify theme editor. Here you can turn the chat box function on or off. Don't forget to click Save or your chat box won't show up live. Now for the fun part, customizing your chat box. In the Chat Settings section, click on Customize Chat, and you'll be back in the theme editor. Customize the background, text, and button style to match your brand's look. There are 7 icon options and 9 label styles to choose from, so mix and match until you're happy. Don't forget to position the chat box where you want it. I'd recommend the bottom and right. But hey, it's your call. Finally, add a welcoming greeting message to make your customers feel right at home. Once you've made it look good, hit Save and head back to the dashboard for the practical setup. Start with instant answers to provide automatic responses for common questions. Just click Create Instant Answer, fill in the question and response. And you can also rearrange or remove box as needed. Next up is the pre-chat form, which prompts customers to leave their email if they exit mid-conversation. There's even a checkbox to ask if they'd like to receive email promotions, an easy way to grow your email list. Moving on to available hours. This is where you let customers know when you're around to chat. Fill in your work hours, and here's a tip. Turn on the automated first reply function. That way, even if you're away, customers know how long they'll need to wait for a response. It's all about keeping things smooth and professional. Now that everything's set, let's talk about managing conversations. Shopify Inbox puts all your messages in one place. Click View Messages in your dashboard to see open conversations that need your attention, closed ones that have been resolved. For open chats, there's a handy 3-dot icon where you can assign the conversation to a team member, mark it unread, close it, or even block the sender. When responding to messages, you can also click Manage to access the customer's info, everything from their email to their shipping address and more. Plus, if you need to jot down any notes, you can add them directly to the conversation, and they'll sync to the customer's profile. Pretty efficient, right? Once you've handled the message, click the circle icon to close it. But don't worry, if the customer replies, it will pop back into your open inbox. Lastly, don't overlook the filters. They help you prioritize conversations and manage your team's workload efficiently. Now for the fun part, testing the chat. Head to your site, send yourself a message, and check how it looks in Shopify Inbox. Make sure everything's working smoothly for a seamless customer experience. You can try out the Quick Reply feature or send a discount code directly through the chat box. Then, copy the code and test it yourself. This will give you a better understanding of your customer's buying journey than ever before. Don't forget to check the mobile view. Test the display response and user experience on mobile devices. Make sure the inbox icon is clearly visible, and when opened, it doesn't interfere with the customer's buying journey. And that's it. You've got Shopify Inbox all set up. Before you go, I've got one last tip. If you want to turn more chats into sales, check out our blog post on tips to maximize conversions with Shopify Inbox. You'll find the link in the description below, and trust me, it's packed with useful insight. If this video helped, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. Also, check out our other videos for even more great insights. Thanks for watching. See you next time.